Cardinal Glass is a large manufacturer in Mooresville, North Carolina that makes float glass, the large glass panels that are used in residential windows and doors. According to the company's website, it employs more than 6,000 people. On Saturday afternoon, one of Cardinal's employees was seriously injured in an industrial accident. According to a report, emergency responders rushed the employee to a local hospital because a portion of his or her scalp had been removed during the accident. The worker was cleaning a control panel when their hair became caught in a roller bearing on a conveyor that moved the float glass from the line to a packaging station. According to OSHA Communications Director Dolores Quesenberry, OSHA was notified and has opened an investigation. The subsequent inspection could take months. IEN did reach out to Cardinal, but the company has not responded to requests for comment at this time. According to OSHA, 5 workers were scalped in 2017, 2 men and 3 women. In the accidents, the workers' hair were caught in everything from drill presses to unguarded glue rollers. In most scalping cases, the worker loses everything from the eyebrows to the ears, although it depends on where he or she becomes entangled. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.